Understanding your target audience. Understanding your target audience is the cornerstone of creating effective video marketing content. Buyer personas are semi-fictional representations of your ideal customer, based on market research and real data about your existing customers. Types of video marketing content. There are several types of video marketing that can help you engage with your audience. For example, product demonstrations is one. Tutorials and how-to videos are an effective way to provide step-by-step instructions to help your audience solve problems and answer questions. Company culture videos. Company culture videos are a powerful way to showcase your company's unique culture and values, making your brand feel more human to your audience. User-generated content. UGC is a powerful tool that can help you drive conversions, promote products and services, and get viewers to subscribe to your channel. A successful video marketing strategy includes setting goals and objectives, planning the production process, choosing distribution channels, and measuring success. Choose distribution channels. Choosing the right distribution channels for your video marketing campaign is crucial to maximize reach and engagement. Creating engaging video content is essential to capture your audience's attention and drive results. Tell a story. Telling a story in your video content is crucial to capture viewers' attention and evoke emotion. Keeping your videos short and sweet is the best way to ensure viewers remain engaged and interested in your content. Include calls to action in your videos is a powerful way to encourage viewers to take the desired action. Encourage customer testimonials. These can be a powerful tool for building trust and credibility with your audience. Host contests and giveaways. Hosting contests and giveaways is an excellent way to increase engagement and reward loyal customers. Share user-generated content on social media. Sharing user-generated content on social media can help you build trust and credibility with potential customers. By following the tips and strategies outlined in this essential guide, you'll be well on your way to creating video marketing content that captivates your audience and propels your business.